Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup YouTube Shorts project files after editing, beginner guide step by step clearly. To backup your YouTube Shorts project files after editing, start by organizing your project files. Create a dedicated folder on your computer for your YouTube Shorts projects. Name this folder something memorable that relates to your content. Next, ensure that all your edited video files are saved in this folder. Include any audio files or music tracks you used in your videos. If you worked with additional graphics or images, save those in the same folder. Use a consistent naming convention for each file to make them easily identifiable. Now, open your cloud storage service like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Log into your account and navigate to the folder where you want to store your backups. Upload your entire project folder to the cloud storage. This step ensures that you have an off-site backup in case anything happens to your computer. To add an extra layer of protection, consider using an external hard drive. Connect the external hard drive to your computer. Copy the project folder from your computer and paste it onto the external hard drive. Label the external hard drive clearly for easy identification later. After completing these steps, double-check that all files have been correctly uploaded. Make sure to perform this backup process every time you make significant edits to your shorts. Consistency in backup will help you avoid losing any hard work should a technical issue arise. Finally, keep your files organized and regularly review your backups to ensure everything is up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.